Alright, today you can see I'm going to draw the map of Kenya, and we're going to draw a particular shape. Then we're going to put the color inside the borders, and just to show the usual appearance or the shape of the map, how does it look in the world atlas. Awesome. So usually the shape of the map doesn't change over the time, so if you have geography course or other courses, then you have to memorize it and do practice again and again to make the drawing perfect. All right, so the shape of Kenya is done. Now we're going to put the colors, then we're going to see about the neighbors. Okay, so we are using the oil pastel or the crayon color. Okay, the main reason of using the oil pastel color, because usually it doesn't take much time. I mean, it takes very less time to cover a whole area, and this is how we can color an area very fast and very easily. Okay, coming to the downward directions, again moving to the upward. Awesome. So the color is done, and this is the country Kenya. It has borders with Ethiopia on the north and Sudan here, Uganda on the west side, Tanzania on the west side, and Somalia on the eastern side. And in this corner, to the southeast corner, you can see that Indian Ocean. So it has also the beach, and it's an African country. You can see it easily from the neighbors. So that's why you have to take clothes and consider the special environments of the Africa if you want to travel in that country. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.